Oh, good morning. You ready to go on a hike? Welcome back to Vlogmas Day 5. We are starting off today with a hike up at Wintergreen.
Yep, 1.1 mile, not a loop. So out and back 1.1.
Oh, okay.
So 2.2 altogether.
All right, that's not bad.
Yeah.
And we're bringing Miss Sadie dog, who's our hiker. Hike, and then we're gonna go to the Factory Antique Mall today and take the cabinet that I just finished over there, along with the clothing and maybe some of the smaller items. I need to tag them first, and that takes forever.
Life is a winding road, no telling where it goes.
I know. That is so wild. Did you get yourself a 680? Yeah.
Where's your stick? Show me your stick.
It was a very narrow trail down here. You've gone on 40, this is your 48th hike,
Yes.
and your goal was to do 52, one each week, right?
Of the year.
Of the year. It's a good goal.
It was a good goal, and I'm glad I did it.
You're
I'm
glad.
glad that it's coming to an end.
It's a commitment.
It's a lot of travel.
You know that truck even from here? She's like, I know the enemy. Are you falling asleep? Are you falling asleep? You're droopy. All right, let's go get a sandwich.
Driving through days and nights, won't stop for traffic light.
We had lunch, and before we head over to the antique mall, I just got 2 new packages in the mail. Did I get something in the mail yesterday?
You get something in the mail every day, so it's become a daily.
But not yesterday. It's starting to look like a problem, but I promise it's not.
The jacket.
Huh?
Oh no.
No, that was the day before. This is all Facebook Marketplace stuff that is not for me. It's another Woolrich coat that I picked up.
Whoa. That's
It's bigger, but it's got the flannel lining. It's two Woolrich products that I ordered. Just a nice button up, and this is a men's medium, but I mean, this would fit me perfectly fine. So, okay. So we had 2 Woolrich products come in the mail. The antique mall actually called me when we were out on the hike. I surprisingly had service. Somebody was interested in this little cupboard that I have, and I have it priced at $295, and they offered $200. So a little low, and I countered with $275. So when we get in here, there might be a little cupboard here still, and there might not be. I also need to pay my rent and pick up the second half of November's check. Oh, and they just opened the door. Amazing timing. Here, let me put down the tailgate. Thank you. Appreciate that.
And I really wanna know, if I will ever figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm far.
I think I just spotted a new booth.
Yeah, there's some here that spot.
Really? All right, is it here? Yep, they didn't buy it. Oh well. So I'm thinking the cabinet should go in this corner. Thoughts? You're so tired.
Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high. Even if the sky is falling down. jumping from cliffs so high, trusting our wings to fly. Sometimes we're crashing down, but we get up and start from the ground. And I really wanna know, if I will ever figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high, even if the sky is falling.
Wool sweater. I would say that's a just medium. We're gonna do 40 on this one. It's a London Fog brand.
Fits small.
Fits small. I think 36 on it. Quarter zip. We're gonna do 35. Vintage corduroy. 100% cotton. 35?
Yeah.
Okay. Would you say vintage Carhartt? Do you know what kind of patch this is?
Hi Amanda, can I introduce myself?
Hi, how are you?
I'm Cheryl.
Oh, Cheryl, hi, how are you?
I watch your YouTube and
Oh, thank you
I
so
just wanted to
much.
say- I know you probably like, oh, thank you.
No.
It's adorable. It's so sweet.
Thank you so much.
I'm from Fredericksburg.
Oh.
I just moved in here.
Oh, really?
Down here on the corner, and I'm right.
Are you the new person? I was coming, I was like, there's a new person in here.
And then
you
I
said
came
the same
back here and I
thing.
said, yeah, I think there's a new one right there too.
Would you like to say hi to the people?
Hi, people.
What's your booth name?
Deep Creek Vintage.
Deep Creek Vintage. Deep Creek Vintage. You like just set up.
Yep.
Wow.
Just finished.
Wow.
Just signed my contract.
Oh my God. I hope you like it.
I mean, it seems to be busy every time I come.
It has been busy. Just this past week, pretty isolated. Sales have I haven't had many sales, like a couple things here and there, but November was really good. And so I'm hoping December will be the same. And this is a good location. Well, that's exciting. And you got 2. It was wonderful meeting you. Congratulations.
We'll see you again.
Yep, see you soon. So cute. Do you see the shelves that she has back there? Oh, those are great. This is amazing. Another ottoman. It's Torie's favorite. Even these crates are pretty nice.
It's a very cute little bit.
Yeah. Oh yeah, for sure. Oh, she's got the shoe forms. Oh, they're kids. Oh. The holiday tumblers. Oh, those are great. How much? Let's see. Set of 6. The whole set.
What?
Yeah. $8.95 for the whole set of the holiday tumblers. Those are great.
Yeah, those are really cute.
Those are super cute. I love those. All right, let's look at our other one. Yep. Oh, so
You can definitely
cute.
tell her stuff.
Oh, yeah. She's got great taste. I love it. Deep Creek Vintage. Cheryl, I love your stuff if you're watching this. That cabinet's wonderful.
This one?
Yeah. $6.49 for the cabinet. Is that what it says?
Correct.
Gosh, I love those so much.
These?
The salt and pepper shakers, is that what they are? These are super collectible. Marmalade jars. Some of them, like that one. That one says potted meats. Never mind, I don't know what I'm talking about. I just know these are super collectible and they're very cute.
There you go.
Thank you, ma'am. Appreciate it. I'm tired. Torie's very tired. I'm going to end vintage. So I'm going to end Vintage Vlogmas Day 5 here. If you guys like this video, please remember to hit the like button and to subscribe. Also hit the bell notification. That way you can be notified for whenever I post a new video. Also follow me at Amanda's Mercantile on Instagram. That way you can see anything that I do behind the scenes. I'll talk to y'all tomorrow. Bye. I also picked up, I'm so tired.